Hello, I'm Dr. Dan Schumacher, the inventor of GaussFlow. I'm a PhD audiologist that's been in private practice for more than 50 years and have several hundred patents related to audiology, regarding hearing aids, hearing protection. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about one of the latest patents we've got, and that's GaussFlow. And I'm glad you found your way to this website. Let me tell you a little bit about why GaussFlow works and why it might be important for a sudden sensorineural hearing loss. As you are probably aware, a sudden sensorineural hearing loss is a very rapid loss of hearing that occurs maybe overnight on one side. It's thought that it's caused from an interruption of the blood supply to the inner ear or from an infection that can get to the inner ear. Some of the common symptoms are unilateral hearing loss, that means one-sided, sudden, also ringing in the ears, or dizziness. Now, GaussFlow is designed around the principle of a static magnetic field. We've known for thousands of years, or people have known for thousands of years, that a magnet applied to an injured site can increase healing. As a matter of fact, thousands of years ago, they used naturally occurring stones called lodestones, and they helped heal injuries. Today, we know why that works. It works because when you apply a negative magnetic field to an injured site, it actually increases the blood flow. So we increase how blood can get to an injured site. When we do this, we increase the oxygen that gets to a damaged site. We also reduce swelling. And if you have medication, we can also, because of the increased blood flow, we can get medication to an injured site much faster. Now, if you do have a sudden sensorineural hearing loss, it's critical that you get to a physician as soon as possible. You need to be seen by an ear, nose, and throat physician where they can do the appropriate testing to determine that it is a sudden sensorineural hearing loss. Once they determine what it is, they'll probably put you on steroids, or they might say, we're going to do steroids and a hyperbaric oxygen treatment. The hyperbaric oxygen treatment is, again, thought to bring more blood flow and more oxygen to the cochlea. Now, GaussFlow is designed to be a complementary treatment to what the physicians put you on as far as the steroids. It's designed to help increase the blood flow to the cochlea, and by doing that, we can get the medication to the cochlea quicker. We can also decrease the swelling. It doesn't require a prescription, it's non-invasive, and it really doesn't cost that much in the scheme of things. If you've got a sudden sensorineural hearing loss, to get started, simply click the Treatment Now button on this video, and we will ship the GaussFlow to you so you can get started with an ancillary treatment that hopefully remediates your sudden sensorineural hearing loss.